Well, hello guys, and here today on the Rusty Glove Box, what we're doing, we're out in the shop. It is raining like cats and dogs out there today, and I know a lot of y'all are having snow. You've been having snow, and you've got more snow coming probably. But anyway, it's raining here. So I'm definitely going to have a shop project in the building today. So let me go and show you what I've been doing today. Yes, that is right. We got the chain all put together, and I have all new links in here. I'm using the same old cutting teeth, and what I had to do was get a bunch of master links, take the pins out of the master links and put them on these cutting teeth. Now this thing would really be dangerous if it wasn't for this blade guard, and I'm going to install it. I tried to place these teeth in some kind of order, but here I've got 3 teeth, then 2 teeth, and they're spaced out a little bit. I had just a funny number of teeth, and the way the chain was, I couldn't just space them out all even, so I had to kind of put like 3 together, 2 together, 3 together, 2 together, you know, and kind of follow that sequence. So anyway guys, I tell you what, we got that ground saw going. You kind of got to see how the chain operates and the mechanism. Now I do have to get the correct belt so that the belt tensioner works properly. And using that stick to do the tension, that's not exactly the safest thing to do, and I would not recommend doing it for yourself. But anyway, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop. Y'all have a great week. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.